What if I told you your website right now is turning away a huge part of your audience? And no, I don't mean just bad design. I mean accessibility. If your website is not accessible, you're not only turning away visitors, but you could also face legal trouble. The good news, Elementor has a tool called Ally that is perfect for making your website accessible in just a few minutes. Accessibility is not just nice to have anymore. It is a must-have business tool. Think about it. 1 in 4 people have some sort of disability. If your site isn't accessible, you are losing out on a quarter of your potential customers. Accessibility also helps with SEO. Google ranks websites higher that are easier to navigate. And yes, it helps you avoid legal issues too. But beyond compliance, making your site accessible just builds trust. People feel seen and they're far more likely to buy from you. Alright, let's jump in and set this up together. To install Ally, you need to go to the link in the description, pick your desired plan. You can start with a free plan or buy it right now. You can check out and then add it to your Elementor website within a few clicks. It is so easy. Once it is installed, you will see it in your sidebar. From here, you can customize how the widget looks, colors, size, and where it shows up on your site. I will make mine a bit of a brownish orange to match my brand. Now, let's see what it can actually do and how it can help you make your website accessible really fast. So here's the accessibility widget on my site. Visitors can resize text if it is too small. You can have them switch to high contrast mode so text is easier to read. Turn on a reading mask to focus line by line. Even pause animations if movement is distracting. Or even skip straight to content instead of scrolling through menus. This part is where it gets powerful for us business owners. The Ally Assistant can scan through your entire website for accessibility issues. It can check over 180 things. Stuff like missing alt text on images, low contrast buttons, or keyboard navigation problems. So after scanning, it shows you exactly what to fix. And if you're not a designer, do not panic. It gives you simple instructions or even AI-powered suggestions to fix it automatically. Next, helps you publish an official accessibility statement. This isn't just for looks, it is often required by law, and it shows your visitors that you're committed to inclusivity. And it is super easy to do. Just enter your company name, website, and email, and it generates a professional statement for you. And to keep you on track, it gives you a full monitoring dashboard. You can see your accessibility score, which issues are fixed, which ones are pending, and how each page of your website is doing. This means that your site doesn't only become accessible once, it stays accessible as you add more content. So how could you use on your website as a different type of entrepreneur? For example, for coaches or course creators, accessibility makes online learning easier for students with dyslexia, ADHD, or vision challenges. For e-commerce owners, a wider audience means more sales, so customers can adjust contrast or text size when shopping. For local businesses, a restaurant website with menus that are easier to read for visually impaired visitors drives more sales and is inclusive. For bloggers or content creators, accessibility features helps readers stay engaged longer, improving ad revenue and SEO. So here's the bottom line. Within a few clicks, your website is more accessible, more user-friendly, and more future-proof. More people can now actually use your website, Google ranks it higher, and you avoid any legal headaches. That's a win for your business, your audience, and your peace of mind. So if you want to make your website accessible and inclusive, make sure to go download Elementor's Ally plugin today and give it a try. And if you want more tips on how to build the perfect website for your business, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!